Boldt Castle, how did they move its huge building materials? Have you ever wondered how such a magnificent structure like Boldt Castle was built on an island? The answer lies in the clever methods used to transport its massive building materials. Boldt Castle, located on Hart Island in the Thousand Islands region of New York, began construction around the year 1900. The castle was designed using enormous granite blocks and heavy materials, which posed a unique challenge due to its island location. To move these substantial materials, a large workforce of skilled laborers was essential. This team included stonemasons, carpenters, and stonecutters who worked tirelessly on site. Since Hart Island is surrounded by water, all construction materials had to be ferried across the river. Workers utilized boats and barges to transport granite blocks, lumber, and other supplies from the mainland or nearby quarries. Once the materials arrived on the island, they were not simply unloaded and placed. The workers moved them by hand and employed cranes, pulleys, and other early 20th century equipment. This equipment was operated by a dedicated crew of over 300 artisans and laborers. The teamwork and coordination among these skilled workers were vital for the construction process. Additionally, the construction team built infrastructure on the island to make moving materials easier. They created docks and pathways to facilitate the transport of supplies. An important structure called the powerhouse was built offshore and connected to the island by a stone bridge. This powerhouse provided steam power, which likely helped operate some machinery for lifting and moving heavy materials during construction. The logistical effort to transport and move these enormous building materials was impressive, especially considering the era. The combination of manual labor, cranes, pulleys, and steam-powered equipment allowed the workers to create the castle's complex stone structures, towers, and ornamental features. Boldt Castle stands today as a remarkable example of the industrial capabilities and craftsmanship available in New York State at the turn of the 20th century. The story of how its huge building materials were moved is a fascinating chapter in Boldt Castle history, showcasing the ingenuity and determination of the workers who made this architectural wonder possible. If you ever find yourself in upstate New York, visiting the Adirondacks and Thousand Islands, Boldt Castle is a must-see destination that tells a story of hard work and creativity.